Hello, on this video I'll show you how to replace staples cartridges in a stapler. Stapler made by Swing Line and model was 8784X. So it was not a usual stapler and that was not easy to figure this out. I found the door on the back and it's not very easy to do it with the finger, so I don't recommend you to do that in order to be safe. But instead, I would recommend you to use a little screwdriver. Close the stapler completely, then on the back, put the lever down and release the stapler. This will release the railing. Pull out the railing. There you have it. That's the lever, which will help to release the railing. So now you can put your staples on the railing and close it with a click. And use your stapler again. If you did like the video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day.